In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable RTX in Minecraft Bedrock 2025. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you do meet the system requirements, and obviously the system requirements are having at least an RTX 2060 or above. If you guys have no idea what your graphics card is on your computer, one really good way to tell is by going to the Minecraft marketplace and then going to the search bar right over here and then just typing in the keyword RTX. Now, if your device actually is compatible with RTX, you should see a bunch of maps appear over here, and then there will be like an RTX logo in the bottom right corner. However, if you do not see any of these options, then unfortunately that likely means that your device is not compatible with RTX, and unfortunately you will not be able to run it because RTX is a little bit heavy, so you will need a decent PC in order to actually run it. But anyways, guys, all you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and actually download a map that you would like to actually play RTX on. So let's go ahead and play RTX on this map right over here called Neon District. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So here's how it does look like. So let's go ahead and create this world. By the way, all of these worlds are actually free. You don't need to pay any money in order to actually play this. All right, guys, and here we are in our world, and RTX is actually enabled. If you want to go ahead and just double check everything, then go to your settings, and then you should go to the video section, and then over here, yep, here it is, and then scroll down, and then the option that says RTX, which is ray tracing, should be turned on. So for whatever reason it's turned off, you can go ahead and turn it on and off from here at any point in time. But once you're done with that, you can now enter the game, and this is how the world does look like. Yo, things look really cool. We got the neon lights everywhere, and this is just so beautiful and so majestic. You know, RTX never gets old in my opinion. So I know a lot of you guys may be wondering, how do I actually run RTX in my own custom world instead of these pre-made worlds? Well, guys, what you need to do for that is you need to download an external shader and then apply it to Minecraft, because at the moment this RTX will only run on particular worlds. So one really good website that I highly recommend is actually called mcpecentral.com. mcpecentral.com is a really great website, and you can find RTX shaders for free. So all you got to do is go over here to where it says shaders, and then yep, there will be a bunch of different options, but you want to make sure that they do work for RTX. So it appears that this article right over here actually does have RTX shaders. So let's go ahead and take a look at that, and yep, there it is. And let's go ahead and install one of these shaders. So let's install this one right over here called the 32x normals RTX, and then bam, there you go. Let's go ahead and just press on download like so. And then it should appear right over here, or if it does not appear in the top right, then you could always just go to your file manager and then look under the download section. But anyways, guys, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press it, and then it will automatically import it to Minecraft, which is honestly pretty useful if I do say so myself. But let's go back to the main menu, and then let's go ahead and select on settings, scroll down to where it says global resources, go ahead and pick on that, and then go ahead and press on my pack. And if we did everything correctly, then our RTX shader will appear over here. So all you gotta do is go ahead and press on activate like so, and then you can go ahead and resume back to Minecraft. And then from here, you can go ahead and join any Minecraft world. And here we go, guys. We are here in a Minecraft world, and you'll notice that, yeah, we do have RTX lighting, and it honestly looks really good. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.